Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we'll be continuing exercise 9 with section B and sum number 7. So let's read sum number 7. For a GP, if S7 is equals to 15 and S6 is equals to 11, then find the seventh term of the GP. So we have studied some other formulas when we were studying about the formulas in video. The formula was Tn plus 1 is equals to Sn plus 1 minus Sn. So now here we have to find the sixth term. So we'll put the value of n is equals to 5. And now T6 can be S6 minus S5. So 15 minus 11 becomes 4 as S6 and S5 is given because Tn plus 1 is given. So S7 is given, that will be S6, S6 will be S5. As Sn plus 1 minus Sn, it's the formula. So T6 is equals to 6 S6 minus 6 S5, that is 15 minus 11 is equals to 4. Eighth question, state whether the statement if A, B, C, D are in GP, then AD is equals to BC is true or false. So if A, B, C, D are in GP, according to the formula of finding ratio, that is second term upon first term, third term upon second term, fourth term upon third term. So it will be like B upon A is equals to C upon B is equals to D upon C. So yes, B upon A is equals to D upon C. If we cross multiply, that will become AD is equals to BC. So it is in GP. So AD is equals to BC is in GP, so it's true. Let's have a look on ninth sum. State whether the statement T1 is equals to S1 is true or false in GP. So for the GP, we know T1 is the first term, S1 is the sum of first term. So we can say that T1 is equals to S1 is true. Now let's have a look on section C and sum number 3. So let's continue with third sum of section C. Let's read it. If in a GP, common ratio is 1 and asset is equals to 24, find the first term of the GP. So here the common ratio is given, that means R is given is 1 and asset is given the value of 8 asset, that means sum of 8 number is 24. So asset is 24, find the first term of the GP. So R is 1 and asset is 24. So if we know the formula of Sn, that is n multiplied by A. So asset is equals to 8 into A, as n is 8. Sum of 8 numbers is 24, that is called asset. So the total numbers are 8. So in place of n I will write 8 and A I will write as it is. So asset is equals to 8A. So now the value of asset is given, that is 224. So in the place of S8, I'll write 24 is equals to 8A. Now it will be divided, 24 divided by 8 is equals to A, that is A is equals to 3. So the first term of the GP is 3 as A is considered the first term. Let's continue with fourth sum. So let's read sum 4. For a GP, T1 is equals to 2 and the product of the first three term is 1000. Find the common ratio. So T1 is equals to 2. T1 means term first. That means A. First term is A. So A is 2. So we can write here T1 into T2 into T3 is equals to A into AR square. As T1 is A, T2 is AR, T3 is AR square. So it can be written T1 into T2 into T3 is equals to A into AR square. So now, as we know the product of the first three term, T1 multiplied T2 multiplied T3 is 1000. So in place of that, we will write 1000. And we know the value of A. So in place of A, we'll write the value 2. 2 into 2R into 2R cube. So 1000 is equals to 8R cube. So R cube will be 1000 upon 8. That will give you R cube is equals to 125. So 125 is the cube of 5. So 5 cube will give you value 125, hence the value of r is 5. So here we have taken out the common ratio. So here we have finished section B in this video, and we have started section C with sum 3 and 4. Go through the sums, revise it properly. Thank you.